Gilli Appa and Gilli Amma, and it's been wonderful. 300 films, 11 languages.
200 plus films, 11 languages, yes.
11 languages, 100 more motivational talks. Ure baap re. Going there and they say, "Hey, Gilli Amma." I said, "Fantastic." There's a film that I think was the last film that you did in Tamil, Ado Andha Paravai Pola Vaazhavum, with Amla Paul.
With Amla Paul. Yeah.
So when is that going to? It was supposed to release in.
Waiting. Yeah, we're waiting.
So
probably,
what do you play there?
I tell you, why should I tell you that you haven't even got me hot idlis today? You haven't even.
Of course. Idli, molaga pudi, and some filter coffee.
Okay, so yeah, because Janki, you invited me for that, but then you didn't get it for me. So what I could organize couldn't organize mulga pudi, but I got some idli with some interesting, what's it called, mustard, and there's some interesting chutney. Just to also let you know, since it had come a little. Wait, yeah, I'm your guest. Let me have first. What is the nonsense? It's another thing that the guest was having it for a while because it came in. And I also tell you another thing: no filter coffee.
Why? I thought you loved your
filter coffee. Yeah, I'm missing filter coffee. I mean, if you are away from Chennai and Bangalore for so long, you miss filter coffee. But okay, close enough.
Okay, 1 minute. Let's say cheers and start off our conversation.
And cheers. Wonderful.
So 300 films, 11 languages.
200 plus films, 11 languages. Yes.
11 languages, 100 more motivational talks. Ure baap re. How do you do it? Yeah, and you've been active every single day of this lockdown. What drives Ashish Vidya? So
very, very clearly, Janki, this period has been a very, very challenging period for everyone. You know, every person has been dealing with some amazing stuff in this period. And so each one of us is trying to do different things. So one is helping people in different ways. And so one of the other ways also, which I said that we need to apply ourselves and offer value to people is that sharing with people stories of hope. Because the first thing that goes out in such a period where there is a collective gloom is that kuch nahi ho sakta, nothing can happen. And there is so much agreement that nothing can happen. And people are either saying, batao, what should we do? Or nothing can happen. And life is in between that, in between the crags of nothing can happen and what should be done. In between that are the solutionings that we have to get. And I've been engaging in conversations with people because nothing can be worse than people ever forgetting their own dreams, forgetting their aspirations, That is what our, the human race at this point needs. That we will be passing this, I'm sure, at some point. But as we come out of it, how are we going to rebound? And, we could be actors, we could be any other professionals. If we can be having that hope in us, and I'm sure, as we say in Hindi, picture abhi baki hai.
People say that every time they speak to you, it's like a pep talk. So where did that transition happen? That I want to be with people. Acting is, of course, you're a great actor. You're a national award winner, Ashish. I mean, it's so amazing the kind of effort you put in every single role. But what is this role and how did it happen?
So Janki, that's been a part of my life. And this is around 99, when I had started working in languages other than Hindi. And about, again, 18 to 19 days away from home, doing a lot of work. And, for me, it used to be 4 days working in a Tamil film, then going to a Telugu film, then a Kannada film, then a Bangla film, then a Malayalam film. So, so I was never at one place for too long, but I was away from home throughout that period. So I did discover a whole lot of time, as a professional actor, as you are working and yet you're wanting more. And I could see in abundance around me that all of us, we really want to do more, really want to do that much extra. And so this a lot of apart from the work that we are doing, we are also very unhappy here. We're collectively unhappy. And you're when you sit down to talk and you say, "Arey yaar, yaar, why didn't that guy come to me? Yaar? Why didn't that role come to me?" And all that. And somehow for me, I discovered that each time I would come home, I would be really upset with life. So I've worked hard, and as I come home, I'm upset with life, and I say that once I'm home, I'm going to just chill. I'm going to behave like a log. And then one day, flights are. Remember, there was a time we used to take flights. Yeah. So
Yes, yes, yes.
flights have been revolutionary for me. And on a flight, I'm sitting and suddenly saying, "What wrong have Mowgli and Pilu done that after a long schedule, if I come back as if I have done a great favor to them?" So
Yeah.
something altered. I said that I have to find something amazing in the life, the way I am leading my life, the way I am leading this moment. And I did it for myself. It began with my search that can I be happy? So people know me. So there was an interesting episode. I was shooting a Hindi film in Pataudi, close to Delhi. And a very early morning, I was just, I got my thing done, and we're driving into the thing, and I had a sullen face. It was a very good role, but as is always, you want something more. Acha yaar, iske baad kya hoga? I hope this film does well, and all those things happening. So I was sullen face. I'm sitting on the left side, in the front. I was sullen face. Early morning, I take this right turn off the highway. I go into Pataudi, and on the wall, I see 3 or 4 kids, they are brushing their teeth. And the car slows down and they do like that. And I move, and I suddenly said, I am so upset with life, so angry, and somebody, I'm bringing some happiness to someone. How come I am not happy? I mean, something's wrong in this piece. So that definitely got me connected, Janki. How will it be that you're doing some good work, you're trying to do some good work, and you are doing some interesting work? How will it be if you yourself can be happy? And that
Wow.
got me going, and I started working on myself. And so over the last 6 years, I've been doing a lot of that work also for corporates and people at large. That how can we do whatever we are doing? We could be actors, we could be a producer, we could be a journalist, we could be an editor, we could be an engineer, we could be working in sales, marketing, anything. Can we be happy right now? Can we be happy being a homemaker right now? Rather than waiting for that one day, someday to happen. And that quest, I find is really you and I, then we go about respecting our life rather than disrespecting it by saying that, yeah, this life isn't good. That life would have been better.
It just brings back to that memory, that fond memory of our first interaction on the sets of Gilly. Now, such a big actor you were, your national award winner, and here I am. I'm like, say, how do I introduce myself? And then the first shot, I think, was this you were this really strict police officer.
Where were we shooting this?
It was in one old house in Haddo's Road or something. There was this one big van, the makeup van where I think Trisha and Vijay were inside. And every time the director said cut, the both of us, we used to sit down in a kind of a foyer or the veranda, and we used to start talking. And we will start, and we used to have this conversation about Salil Chaudhary. Then I found out, Ningal Malayali ano? Alla. Malayali ano? Oh, you? And apne ki Bengali? Apne ki Bengali? Oh my God. And these conversations was like, hello, I'm also Bengali, I'm also Kunjam Malayali, I'm also this. And it was seamless. The conversations were so seamless that, neither of us ever hesitated to pick up that phone. I still remember I was driving back from IIT Kharagpur, and I don't know what happened. We just both started speaking. You were on your way into Kharagpur. I was coming out, and this was about a year and a half back. And
Wow.
we had this conversation about, and you
Yeah.
kept saying, "Arey, what are you doing with your life? Ye kya kar rahe ho?" And you know that every time I said, "Arey baap re, isko energy kahan se aata hai yaar?" I mean, where is the energy coming from for you to constantly push yourself and saying, "Aaj ka itna," you know, there are people who say, "Arey, I did a fantastic session today. Now let me take
So,
off for
Jangi,
another 3 days."
it's a, for each one of us,
Hmm.
we have a larger, interesting thing that we want to do in life.
Hmm.
Something
Hmm. Hmm.
larger, something bigger. All
Hmm.
of us. You have
Hmm.
something.
Correct. 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 Correct.
I think. I think it's very important not to get offset by.
Yeah.
So first of all, get that the word stress.
Hmm.
You have to really get what stress is.
Hmm.
In fact, in just to deal with that, we are at Avid Miner. We're kind of bringing out programs to let people deal with these seemingly complex things in a simple way. So I'll tell you first thing,
Hmm.
break up these words. These words just disempower us.
Hmm. Hmm.
I have stress. Do you also have stress? Yeah, even you have stress. Okay, so we both have stress. Now we both are common sufferers. There
Hmm.
is nothing called stress, my friend. You have to break it down because stress is like like something overarching. There's so much
Hmm.
stress happening. Yeah, there's so much stress. You're in two different parts of the world. We agree it's stress. Let me just break it down to put it very simply and say in the case of commitments that you're saying. When you cannot fulfill on a promise of yours, it could be in a relationship, it could be in work. When you cannot fulfill on that and you wanted to fulfill, that's when it starts. Now imagine it to be at work. You had to deliver something you cannot. Problem starts happening. Something in a relationship you're committed to is not working out. Problem starting. This is where you got to disempower that word itself, okay, and deconstruct it. So let's break it down into something that you are committed to,
Hmm.
something that you haven't been able to do. Welcome to real life, dear friend. In life, if you take on many things, you will not be doing all of them in the time that you said you will do.
So
That
true.
is where, that is where you'll have to keep starting to communicate powerfully. Because life is not, "Arey yaar, I will not do it now." No. Life is taking it on, finding ways to fulfill it. And when you cannot, communicate that. And
Hmm.
communicate that by taking complete ownership.
Hmm.
And you will find, see, because I do take on a lot of stuff. Okay. I really enjoy doing a lot of stuff. And since I take on a lot of stuff, quite a few of them I'm not able to fulfill.
Hmm.
But I do not hide behind because of this I could not. No, I take responsibility. I didn't take this. And over the years in my life, me being an actor, also being a communicator, a speaker, motivational speaker, and doing workshops and interacting with friends and interacting with family. I like, so what I do is I continually communicate with people. Hey, listen, this I can do. Yeah, this is not working out. Does that cause upsets? Yes. Then you have to deal with that upset. All right. So I let people know, hey, listen, I'm sorry. Because at this point itself, I'm sharing this with you. I'm engaging in a lot of gratis free workshops with people, groups of people, learning and development, colleges, schools, people who are professionals. I'm engaging in. So how can I contribute to people? One of the ways that I can contribute is to offer the services which I would otherwise charge for. Can I offer them to large groups of people? But yet, there are still more people. They say, hey, can you come to just our organization, just our college? And I'm telling them that I cannot come everywhere, even in this space, because there is
Yes.
that much that I can do. But the very fact that I am reaching out to many people are having an expectation that more can happen. So you will, in terms of relationships also,
Hmm.
yes, when you are delivering well, people will expect more. Communicate powerfully what you can and what you cannot. Don't shy away because life is fully, for me, life is only about participation. If we shut
Beautiful.
doors, if we shut doors, it will not help. You're just behaving like an ostrich. So be kind to yourself. That's another thing, Janki.
Hmm. Hmm.
Because in this period, people feel very alone.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So
And people have to get that they're not alone.
yeah, I know that you're doing so much, but tell me, the actor inside you. There's a film that I think was the last film that you did in Tamil, Ado Andha Paravai Pola Vazhavan, with Amla
With
Paul.
Amla Paul. Yeah.
So when is that going to? It was supposed to release in.
Waiting. Yeah. We're waiting.
So
Probably.
what do you play there?
I tell you, why should I tell you that you haven't even gotten me hot idlis today? You haven't even.
Of course, yeah. We are having idlis.
In Mumbai, somehow I just organized some idlis.
But you're having idli with mustard, yeah. So that
Thanks
is
to you. Thanks to you.
You are rediscovering idli.
She organized it, and I'm having idlis after a long time. Really enjoying it. So yeah, this film, it's a very different role. I'm really excited about this film. Very well written by my dear friend Arun, and so it's a very good. And Amla has given a wonderful performance. So looking forward to that. And there are many other roles here. You know, as actors, as I say that, and I tell people that don't feel shy in asking for things, because I have many roles. I have many roles within me, Janki.
Yes.
And you're waiting for some interesting director to see something more than what I've already done. And that's the name of the game, my friend. That's the name of the game. Keep asking.
No, keep asking and keep, I think, keep hoping that, and also having some kind of conviction that this is a role that I am going to play. You know, I mean, I have done comedy all my life, and when I did that one series, the Villi, thoda ulta ho gaya, huh? I did one villain character, and people said, "Hey, what is wrong with her?" But then, if I have been successful in playing that Villi bit, that means it's a mark of a good actor. I hope so. And it's like today when I'm going there and they say, "Hey, Gilli Amma," I said, "Fantastic." But Gilli Amma also needs to engage with people, and that's when I said, "All right, let me start these Sunday chats." And as actors, somewhere deep, I mean, we are doing a lot of other things. Deep within us is that urge: ki lights, camera, action. Kab karega? When will I hear those three words? Don't you miss that, Ashish?
Well, thankfully for me, Janki, partly what you're saying is absolutely spot on. Because since I work in different languages, I keep doing something. So, over the last 1.5 years, we did pretty interesting stuff on the web. There's a very interesting series of ours running called Mission Over Mars. MOM it's called. That's running. We're just completing something called Criminal Justice. That's happening. A Hindi film, Helmet, and then this one happening in Tamil. But yes, I to be honest, if you ask me, I really want to do some amazing films in Tamil. I really am hungry. Because in Tamil, I found that directors take a chance with the actor, and I am very keen because listen, one thing, there's nothing wrong in asking and wanting. I just share that with myself, which as I share with others. Don't pause your life. Wow. What are you doing during the wait? Is the question. So as an actor, over the years, I've loved as I create interesting characters, and I'm sure, I mean, there will be some interesting Tamil writer, Tamil producer, Tamil director who says this and says, "Wow, man."
Gilli 2. I keep asking Dharani sir. I said, "Would you have any, plans of making Gilli 2?" And he just, shrugs it away. So I'm sure that, inshallah, after the lockdown and when things come back to the new normal, there will be a new normal film with Gilli Appa and Gilli Amma. And it's been wonderful chatting with you, Ashish. I think.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம முத்திரையை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.